Hi, Miss Mylan. I miss you a lot. And Julie just wanted to say hi to you. And this at school, my new responsibility is to take care of Julie because my dad told me that she chose me, and so I have to take care of her. And I miss you a lot. And I miss you, and I hope I see you next school year. Bye.
Poster from Savannah Owens. I miss you, Mrs. Mylan. Best teacher ever. Number one teacher. I love you as my teacher. Mrs. Mylan, we cannot express how extremely grateful we are for you and your efforts to educate our children from a distance. There is no true way to show you just how much we appreciate you, but we sure gave it a try. During these stressful times, we are blessed to have you in our kids' lives. Thank you for being you. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. Love, your favorite second graders and their ever so appreciative parents.